In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out this filter and put a nice clean filter in it. This is a whole house filter, and I will link this filter system and these filters down below in the description. If you do not see the links, it's because Amazon did not approve me yet. Both these filters should reduce chlorine, rust, and sediment in your water. I think this one here, it's like looks a little more grayish. I think this works a little bit better on the chlorine. And you can get 4 of these on Amazon for about $29. And you can get 2 of these on Amazon for about $7 or $8. They're 10-inch filters. And this is a Watts whole house filter system. Okay, first I'm going to turn off my water to my whole house. Right there. Okay, I shut the water off to my entire house, and oh crap, I just put a bucket under it, and it's probably going to drain some water. Just make sure when you shut your water off to your whole house, if you can't shut the valve on top of this filter, make sure nobody opens a faucet upstairs, because then you're going to get a lot more water coming down through this, because it'll relieve the pressure in the line. Not going to run real fast, but probably should have a towel handy. Lay a towel there. Okay, make sure when you take that off, you make sure you still have your O-ring inside here. And maybe you can take some silicone grease and re-grease that O-ring. Don't use Vaseline. Okay, I think I got it all on there. And if your filter housing is a mess and dirty, you can take that up and just wash it out with some mild soap. Alright, just put your 10-inch filter back in. Screw it back on. Now I would say just go hand tight, and then take your wrench and just maybe go 1/8 of a turn. Maybe not even 1/8. Just let your towel lay here. Dry that off. And I'm going to go turn the water back on. All right, that's about it. That's how you change out your filter on your whole house filter. I'm gonna let this towel lay here just for a little bit, and I'll come back and check this in maybe a half an hour, just make sure it's not leaking. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and God bless. Have a great day.